Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Squarespace for dropshipping success step by step clearly. Begin by choosing a Squarespace plan that suits your dropshipping needs. Visit the Squarespace website and start a free trial. Select a template that aligns well with your brand and products. Customize your template with your brand colors, fonts, and logos. Create essential pages, including home, shop, about, and contact. Add product categories to help organize your merchandise. Use the built-in e-commerce features to set up your store. Connect a payment gateway, ensuring it supports your preferred payment methods. Import dropshipping products into your store. Utilize a reliable dropshipping platform for product sourcing, like Overlo or Spocket. Edit product descriptions to make them appealing and informative. Optimize images by using high-quality photos and proper alt text. Set competitive pricing strategies for your dropshipping items. Install Google Analytics to track your website traffic and customer behavior. Set up your shipping options based on your dropshipping provider's terms. Create an SEO strategy by optimizing your website for search engines. Implement email marketing tools to engage with your customers. Preview your website to ensure everything looks and functions properly. Conduct a test purchase to confirm the checkout process is smooth. Launch your Squarespace site when you're satisfied with the setup. Promote your dropshipping store through social media and other marketing channels. Monitor performance and make adjustments based on customer feedback and analytics. Regularly update your products and offers to keep your store fresh and engaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.